I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to put my meat under pressure. And you're going to be able to put that meat under pressure with the 2-in-1 Smash Burger Press Patty Maker. And it is perfect if it's cold outside, dark, you can press these burgers and grill in home. This is heavy-duty premium stainless steel and is really a simple design. You're just going to put the patty down and press it. It also comes with these patty liners. You're going to roll the meat up, put the liner down, place the rolled meat and another liner, and you are now going to press. Try and push it down evenly, and you are going to get what looks like a store-bought meat patty. Now you can take that patty out and you can continue making all the patties that you have enough meat for. We ended up doing a 1/4 pound for each one, so we did 4 out of a pound of beef. You can see how good they look. This is just so easy to clean. You just scrub the meat juice, rinse off, and put it off to dry. You now can take the liners off and marinate your burgers in any way you would like, with seasoning, with sauces, and then you just slap them on the grill. I really love anything that allows you to do things at home on your own and to be more economic. This press lets me have the control to make the perfect size burger, to be round, thick, and delicious. And that's my point of view.